My dear students, in this video we're going to learn another famous song using our progression. As you remember, our progression was C major, G major, A minor and F major. Or first, fifth, sixth minor and fourth. Alright, so that's how the whole version sounds like. So that's how we do this. Okay, we'll start with the beginning. We'll start with playing left hand our root notes, so and in the right hand we play our chords. Then this F, G, E, G, D, F, C, E. Or we can also play it here. It doesn't matter. Okay, alright, one more time. So, C major, G major, A minor, F major, C major, G major, F major, or F major. And afterwards, we are going over to the main melody, and that's how it sounds like. We change also our left hand now. We play now the chords in the left hand and not only root notes, alright? So that's how we do it. Let's take a look first of all on the right hand, what we play there. We start with E, then we're going up to G, G, A, E, G, 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 C, D, E, E, D, D, C, E, E, F, E, E, D, E, D, D, C. And then we repeat the same. And now let's do the same with the left hand together. So we start with C major, our first part of the progression. Then we change to G major, our second part of the progression, and our fifth. Then G, C, D, A minor, our third chord, and sixth minor. F major. One more time the sequence. Alright, that's the first sequence. Let's do it maybe with metronome also. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. so that's how this part of the melody sounds like. One more time in the full tempo. And now we're moving to the second part of the melody. So we play here again C major and E in the right hand, G major, F major, and then we go down E, D, C in the left hand and D, F, E in the right hand. Yeah, so one more time. Metronome. 2, 3, 4. Alright, so that's how we do this. Now let's connect these two parts together, and afterwards we'll connect it with the beginning. 2, 3, 4. So that's how we play it. One more time without metronome. Alright, so that's how we do this. Now connect it with the beginning. Let's connect it with the beginning. So that's the structure. We play the beginning, then we play this part 2 times. So as you heard, I just played the beginning and then I repeated this time 2 times. And then we're going over to a refrain. And that's how refrain goes, like. That's how we do this. We got here a little bit different harmony in the refrain, but it's not difficult. So let's figure out how to play it. So in left hand we start with A minor, then we go down to G major, to F major, and then again C, then again C, G, Alright, so we start in A minor, together with the right hand. And then one more time. It's a refrain, the famous "Let it be, let it be, let it be, and let it be," and so on. Yeah, the harmony is there a little bit different, but it's still not so difficult to learn, and it's not anymore part of our progression, but still it's really important to know. So again, we started in A minor, then we go down to G major, then again to F major, and then to C major. You can play first inversion or second inversion as you like, or even as you like. So inversions or real chords, it's you have to select yourself, because I don't know what you like more. All right, so yeah, one more time. Refrain with metronome. 2, 3. One more time. So that's how we do this. And now let's combine all parts together. So you remember we got here 3 parts. First of all, the beginning. Then first part. We use our progression. Then we repeat this part one more time, and after that we are playing refrain. So these are 3 parts, and let's connect them with each other. First of all, with metronome. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's how we do this. And now we'll play one more time the song, all parts together, but of course I will tell you where's the beginning, where's the first part, and where's the refrain in a normal tempo. and all bars, all phrases together. So let's go. It was the beginning, now the main part with our progression. This progression. Now the refrain. So that's how we play this piece, guys. Congratulations, now you got another piece in your repertoire, and let's continue learning some other pieces.